Hi, I'm Aarón Sánchez, and you might know me from MasterChef. I'm currently here at my restaurant, Johnny Sanchez, in New Orleans. And look, one of the things I love about being a chef is the countless possibilities that are involved when it comes to creativity and revving up flavor and nutrition. You know, California grapes are a great way to add a little bit of sweetness and tartness to just about any dish, whether it's light affair or something even hearty like a stew. And it's a great snack for the kids. It's something that's great on the go. And one of the recipes that I want to show you that I think best exemplifies that, it's an acorn squash that's stuffed with Farro and California red grapes. The dish starts simply by having an acorn squash, dusting it with a beautiful seasoning mixture, putting it in the oven over high heat till roasted till perfection, removing that, stuffing that with a mixture of Farro, which is Italian grain, California red grapes, sage, and pecans. That mixture goes back into the oven. It's roasted till perfection, then finished very simply with habanero infused honey and a little bit of queso fresco. For more information about this recipe and many more, please visit grapesfromcalifornia.com. Follow us on social media. I'll be there. Recipes will be there. You'll love it.